Hello, probably you noticed that we are standing on the edge of fourth industrial revolution. The industry used many new technologies, with which they modernized and digitalized the manufacturing processes and thereby improved the quality and efficiency. But is it so in all the industries? I have construction industry on my mind. This industry is almost in a last place in the digitalization rating. Many technologies used on the construction site haven't changed in decades. It's time to start changing it from the small processes. Wooden floor treatment really doesn't look efficient nor healthy today. And another problem is that we are short on qualified workers. The central hub is main unit that is controlled by internal computer with pre-programmed plan of the operations. It ensures the movement of the whole machine and can move in any direction, thanks to the multi-directional wheels. After each operation, the central hub goes to a docking station to change the unit. The machine should be able to cover 500 square meters in single charge.